Hello and welcome guys to this short tutorial video. So guys, in this short tutorial video today I am gonna tell you something about dust. So guys, what is dust in Binance Exchange and how can you convert these dust into your Binance coin or BNB coin? So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, before I go ahead, I will just want to brief you something about dust. So what exactly dust is in Binance account? Basically, a dust is a small portion or fraction of a coins or token in our Binance wallet, which even we cannot sell, withdrawal, or even we cannot trade on this exchange. So now I will tell you how you can convert these unused or small portion of tokens to Binance or BNB coin. So guys, the process is very simple. So first of all, you have to click on this fund section. Under this fund section, you have to click on this balance option. Once you click on this balance option, you will get all the list of your coins and tokens in your Binance wallet. So as you can see, there are some coins which I hold in this wallet. And on the top of this, here you can find convert to BNB option. So if I click on this option, I will get the list of those coins whose balance is less than 0.001 BTC and whose valuation is less than 0.001 BTC can convert into BNB coin once every 24 hours. So as you can see, there are 6 coins which I can convert it, and the total valuation of this conversion would be 0.61 BNB. Apart from that, you will be also getting an option where you can uncheck if any particular coin if you don't wish to convert it. So you can find an option for check or uncheck next to the coin and token symbol. So if you do not wish to convert any coin, you can just uncheck. So now I have unchecked 2 coin, and here you can see now I have selected 4 coins whose valuation would be somewhere around 0.0022 BNB. There is also some fees which BNB charge for this conversion, so it is a very minimal fees which you can afford. So as now I want to convert all my coins into BNB coins, so I will select all the coin. So once you decided you have to convert the selected coin, you just have to click on this option, convert to BNB. Before I go ahead, I also want to show you my BNB balance before conversion. So for that, I have to again go to this balance option. Once I click on this option, I will be on my wallet. So here you can see right now my BNB balance is 1.44 as you can see on the screen. So now I will again click on this convert to BNB option. Once I click in this option, I will just click on this convert to BNB option. Once I click on this option, it is confirming me whether I want to go ahead or not and what amount I will be getting. So once I decided, I will just click on this confirm button. So now I have converted successfully all my unused token into BNB coin. Now I will just check my BNB balance. So now as you can see, my total balance is somewhere around 2.05 BNB. Earlier it was somewhere around 1.44. So guys, in this way you can convert your unused token or coin into your BNB coin, and I think this is a very good and great idea to convert all your unused coin and token to BNB coin. So I think Binance team has done a great job. Now every user can convert their unused token and coins to BNB coins, and which they can use for any withdrawal or even for trading purpose. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.